All right, good morning, everyone. Louis Sports, Leno Man Over Market, and this is Monday, February 9th, and this is the ES Morning Call. All right, so we got the market trading down about 1,000 points or so. Let's take a look at the profile that gets started. We're actually hanging around Friday's low. I think Friday's low was like 43 and a half, and then overnight we went and made a new low right here at 29, 20 at 2,000 or 20,039 and a half. This looks unfinished to me. I think they're going to give it a test on the opening, but I'm still bullish on the market right now. I still think that the market needs to go and it's gonna rebound. I think there's an overreaction to what's going up in Europe now. You know, the Ukraine, Russia, Greece. I think are weighing on the market. Plus, you had Europe that was mixed, China and London down. So plus we got, but I'm looking at this. We have these single prints. We had a gap opening. Um, that gap opening was up to 53, up to 50 half. Um, we have our bull bear zone today going to be at 51. So I'm looking for this market to support up in here, and it's gonna take this low out, I believe, and then from there we will work our way higher. That's what I'm looking for, unless some news comes out that is devastating to the U.S. stock markets. All right, so um, here's a 15-minute chart, and the 15-minute chart. I just want to give you an idea where value's at because we're trading below it. So we got the bottom of value at 2048. All right here, 2048.75. Bull bear zone 2051. Point of control 2053 and a quarter, and 2055 and a quarter is the top of value. Remember, this will certainly be an attractor for me today if we start moving higher. Um, on the downside, it's always important to me how much we take the low out by. Um, this channel here, I'm looking for the market could move down to 36 half, so possibly bottom them out around there. That would be around S1 too. Okay, when we look at our CCI, okay, I'm taking a look at it right now, and it's gone from, well, as you can see, the long-term trend is red. What short-term is basically green. Went to green. It was neutral, and now like turning back to be red. So that's kind of mixed. So I'm looking for the market to bottom out here this morning, and then move towards filling the gap, and then filling the single prints over there. So that's what I'm looking at in S&Ps. When I look at the 5-minute pivot, the 5-minute pivot is sitting at now I have an up bias today. Up bias means that we have a higher percentage that will close higher on the day. Now, remember that has to do with from where we open, not being down 1,500 and regaining it all. So it just has to do with from where we open, with our bias. All right, now looking at the 5-minute pivot. Okay, so the 5-minute pivot's up above us at 2044. Basically, let's call it 2045 even. We got to take 2045 even out, and it's 5-minute pivot. The the Dow, the Nasdaq, and the Russell. I'm sorry, the Dow and the Nasdaq are both in a buy pivot, and the Russell is in a sell pivot on the 5-minute basis. So that's what I'm looking at for the S&P. So I still have an overall bullish sentiment. Be careful on the opening with that spike sell down because they've been down all night, and I'm thinking that the people that are short are going to cover their inventory, and you can get a very brutal upswing. All right. Still have a negative bias in the bonds. It's worked its way back a little bit. I'm having trouble with this chart for some reason, but our bull bear zone today is at 148 and a quarter. 148 and a quarter. Um, This is a 15-minute pivot. Um, so taking a looking at there, the bottom of and the point of control is at 147.15. Bull bear zone is 148 and a quarter, so right up in here. Okay. And then the top of value of 149.22. We got a negative bias on the bonds. Negative bias on the bonds today. All right. Oil, we are in a positive. It's up about 87 cents. Got a positive bias on oil. Okay. We're trading actually above value, above the bull bear zone. A bull bear zone is 51.99. Also, the top of value is 52.32. Point of control is 51.70, and the bottom is 51.42. I put some important numbers here. I think these are really important. I think oil is going to test 53.40, 54 and a quarter, and 55.12, and then ultimately 55.66. All right. Um, Oil up based on some noise from OPEC that it's gonna increase output. They see more demand. So um, this is gold. Gold. Right now I'm mixed on gold. Mixed to long. I've got a neutral basis. We're inside value. We're going to have to go up and get outside of value and take out. We're having our bear zone here at 2036.80. 20. So I'm sorry, 1,236.80, 1,236.80. Bottom 1,032.70. And we're going to have to take out this top of value and get through this 30-minute pivot, which is 1,043.90, 1,043.90. So I think gold is responding to what's going on in the Ukraine and Russia and the Greek issues. So once again, 5-minute pivot up above 2044.80. I'm still got a positive bias on the S&Ps today, and I'm looking at us moving out to take these single prints and fill this gap today. So that's my 2 cents. Thanks for all the input, and remember, keep sending those trade ideas to us, and that's the goal of the site to get build a community where we can all share ideas and our experiences. Um, so I'll be watching this CCI today. See, these things are getting closer. When they cross, they should be going to a bullish sentiment. So 5-minute pivot once again. 24 is 20,044. Let's call it 85. We can't get 85, so I would prefer it's close above 45. Russell is down below its 5-minute pivot, and the YM, Dow, and Nasdaq are above. So that means we're going to have a mixed morning, and when these four start moving the same way, then that's what we got to worry about. All right, not worry about. That's when we want to jump on and get on the board with them. All right, everybody, good luck. Top Step Trader, 8 o'clock every morning. You can listen to me live and answer some questions too. Talk to you later, and good luck.